Hi guys, today we are playing Skinny Man and we're gonna get all the way to the end if I can. But I'll make a part 2 if I can't. Whoa. Go. I want this. Let's go over here. Oh my gosh. How am I supposed to do this? Go. Okay, good. 100. Oh my gosh. Wow. Jump. Oh my gosh. I made it. Let's see. Let's just cover that sound. Wait, let's see. Let's actually see. Oh no. No, at least the head made it. But we're gonna do more. Okay, so we need more thickness and more height. I'm gonna go over here, get some diamonds. I missed one, but that's okay. I think I should get more thickness, so I got more height anyways. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this now. Finally, after I won. Okay, no! We need more. The head keeps making it. Okay, so this time we're gonna do a different level. Ooh. You can do backflip? Okay. I can make taller. How can it do that if it's already never mind. What I'm wondering in the background is why are the clouds circling me? But anyways, no. No! How do we keep getting this score? We need to get something else. Okay. Make sure to like and subscribe so I can get to the end. Because it looks like I can't. Sliding. No! Never mind. I'm just gonna do this. Okay, so I'm just waiting.
I thought your mom was here. That's why I did that.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
It just smells good.
Okay. Wait, let me just get this out. Okay. I made it again. Please.
Keisha?
I lost my height.
Mira.
Oh my gosh. No.
Go.
Why? Okay, I'm gonna get more, and I need more. Okay, let's jump. Whee!
No one likes you. Get out of my street.
What am I just hearing in the background right now? I'm just gonna choose both. I can't. Well, at least we can do this. Wait. No! Why are these levels not giving me more? Like, look. Wait, we can get both at the same time. So I'm just gonna wait. Go! I go! Look at me! Look at me! Oh my gosh. They're gonna stop fighting. Okay, I'm gonna pick this. Pick this. Oh my gosh, I am so tall. No! Oh my god! Whoa! Finally, after all these years I've passed. Maybe not. How am I not making it? Okay, let's just go. Careful, 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 careful.
Baby, when he's taped.
Oh my god.
Who messed up the bed?
No.
Who messed up the bed? What happened?
Wait.
What?
Never mind. That's just a little sound. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I don't know why do I have to do this. Oh my goodness. No. Okay, this is the final round.
Guys, like and subscribe if you think Shaina should do better.
No. After all these years, I'm
Among Us.
pressing.
Among
What
Us.
happened?
Among Us.
Free ASMR.
Stop it with the ASMR, like.
Never mind. Okay, this is moving now. Boing, boing, boing.
Metal ball.
Okay, these bombs are explosive.
Metal ball.
They're very explosive. Now let's get back to it.
Noise. Bar.
Hey. Oh my god. Yippee.
Yo, Shaina, you wanna hear something?
What?
For the viewers.
Yo! Stop it!
That's for the viewers.
Stop!
Just go.
Boing. Bruh! I can subscribe to make him stop. Look at me. Look at
You
me.
biggie. Just for that.
No. I am doing 2x. Oh my gosh.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Oh my god, what is happening? Help! 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 I'm munching gum.
Check this.
Yay! Yay! Yes! Finally! Bruh, did you just call my viewers 21? Bruh, let's do the slow motion. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Stop it. Serious. No. Finally. One is worse. Boing. I need a munch made. What? Peace out. Peace out.
You need